In this video, we will see the differences between Nmap and Wireshark. See here, Nmap acts as scout surveying network landscape, but Wireshark acts as spy collecting data for analysis. It is command line interface and it is graphical user interface. See, if you click on this Nmap, it will open the command prompt. That means in the terminal. See, it is open in the terminal. But if you open Wireshark, it is GUI tool. Click on it. See, it is GUI tool. It is used to capture the packets. This is used to target the network. Okay. Next is primarily network mapping. Nmap means network mapping, discovering hosts. Okay. And primarily for packet sniffing. See here. Here we can run only for network mapping. But if you go to Wireshark, if you click on this start capturing packets, it will capture the packets. Okay. Next, it requires specific target. But here it captures any traffic that user has the access. See here we have to provide the target, like either it may be server address or IP. This is the command. When if you open Nmap, see here we have to provide the target. Then only we will be able to run the can target host internal or external to its network. Capture information within a network. So we can't capture external. Okay. Next, see here 10-minute running services. Vulnerability scanning, determine host OS, running services, target discovery can be integrated with other tools capable of packet injection and some packet tracing. It view contents of data packets, follow the communication streams, packet reassembly, provide real-time statistics, can analyze network performance, can be used to intrusion detection, and decrypt sniff traffic. Okay. So these are the differences between Nmap and Wireshark. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.